Bitcoin's huge move, FOMC meeting and crypto's future revealed. Hey crypto fam, welcome back to BitsPuls. Today we're diving deep into the juicy world of crypto, specifically why Bitcoin is having a good old time and why we should all be paying attention. So the crypto market has been doing some serious head bobbing in the last few hours. Why? Well, the big boys, the FOMC, are about to have their big meeting on Wednesday. Now, we all know how much crypto loves to play the Fed's game. This time around, it seems like investors are getting a little hot under the collar about a potential 50 basis point rate cut. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but if it does, history shows that Bitcoin likes to make a dash for the finish line. Speaking of history, Q4 is like Bitcoin's favorite time of year. It's a little like December for retail stores, but for Bitcoin, it's the time to shine, make some moves, and maybe even bring home a little trophy. And if you think that's just a coincidence, think again! Last week, the CME FedWatch tool, which is basically the crystal ball of the Federal Reserve, showed that there was a whopping 62% chance of a 50 basis point cut. That's a big deal, folks. A cut of that size would be the biggest surprise since 2009, and I don't know about you, but that sounds like a good time to me. So, with all this juicy information floating around, Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto crew decided to throw a little party. Bitcoin saw a 4% increase, and Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and XRP were all in the mix. Now, I'm not going to lie, some people got caught with their pants down. And we saw liquidations reaching a cool $125 million in the past 24 hours. But here's the thing, if history has taught us anything, it's that Bitcoin loves low interest rates. Remember that big crypto bull run in 2017? Yeah, that was the good old days of low rates. And guess what? The Fed took rates down to 0% in 2020 to fight the pandemic, and Bitcoin decided to throw the biggest party of its life. So, the bottom line is that if the FOMC decides to throw us a bone and cut those rates, it could be a real game changer for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto fam. But of course, we're not financial advisors, and this is just some fun speculation. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Bitcoin and the crypto market, let me tell you about something that might just change your life. Get a welcome bonus of up to $5,500 for newcomers on the BitTunix cryptocurrency exchange. Click the link in the video description to get started. We've talked about Bitcoin, but let's break it down. Bitcoin is like the OG of crypto. It's the biggest and the baddest, and it's like the gold standard of the digital world. Then we've got the altcoins, which are all the other coins that want to be the next Bitcoin. Some people say Ethereum is like the second in command, but I'm not going to get into that debate right now. And then there are stablecoins, the calm, cool, and collected crew. They're like the stable foundation of the crypto world, and they're great for those who want to avoid the wild swings of the market. Bitcoin dominance is a big deal in the crypto world. It's like the popularity contest, and it tells us how much interest is out there in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance is high, it's a good sign for Bitcoin, and it's often seen as a sign that a bull run is coming. But when Bitcoin dominance drops, it means that investors are looking to the altcoins for a little more excitement. We're all just trying to make sense of this crazy crypto market. And I'm here to tell you it's not always easy. But don't forget, there's always risk in the crypto world. Do your research, know your stuff, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, I know you're all itching to ask questions, so let's jump into the comments below. What are your thoughts on the FOMC meeting? What are your favorite coins? Remember, crypto is a wild ride, and it's not for the faint of heart. But if you're willing to buckle up and hang on tight, there's a chance to ride the wave to the moon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Keep an eye on BitsPuls for more crypto news, breakdowns, and maybe even a few laughs along the way. Until next time, stay cool, stay smart, and keep your crypto game strong. Later, fam!